You've definitely seen ads like this going around. The giant mascara brushing the top of subway trains and bags driving down as buses. There's actually a marketing or advertising term for it, and it's called FOO, fake out-of-home ads. And it works because your brain believes it for half a second even though that you know that it's probably unreal. That's the whole trick, and brands are obsessed with it right now. So I looked up how much it costs to make one. Wait, how much? CGI artist, a motion team, weeks of post, all of this just for one video? There's no way. Or I can just use Lovart. Hey Lovarters, welcome back to the Lovart tutorial series. This is Vivian. So you heard that. Today we're recreating that exact style of ads, FOO marketing. When a real product takes over a real street, the one that usually pulls a whole production team to pull off. But before we get there, let's make 2 product hero posters first. And here's the challenge that I set for myself. Instead of picking some already pretty product, let's start with the most mundane, overlooked item in your household and see if Lovart can make them look genuinely cool and profitable. Let's get into it. The first product that I chose is toilet paper. I know, not exactly the most glamorous product to choose from, but hear me out. This is exactly the kind of overlooked product that I was talking about. And when I sat down to think about how to advertise it, I kept on landing on the same word, soft. Toilet paper is all about softness, and softness makes me think of wool. And wool makes me think of sheep. And sheep makes me think of falling asleep. So I followed that logic all the way down. So the current concept in my head is a role that transitions into a sleeping sheep. And I guess our tagline could be softness you can count on. So let's use Lovart's agent to do that. Pasting my prompt in right now, and if there's a specific model that you want to use, you can choose from the models list, or you can set it to auto and let Lovart agent pick the best one for you. We're gonna click generate, and let's wait for the results. Ooh, that was fast. This is exactly what I was hoping for. The part that it sells is kind of the transition. As you can see, the leg kind of blends in to the paper, and also the flat sheet kind of thickens the fleece, so it's really gradual and that you believe the wool and the paper are actually the same material, which is the whole point. And I love the baby blue background too. I feel like everything fits really cohesively, and with the sheep legs tucked and fully asleep, you feel the safety that you want to aim for as a product that requires the customer's trust. Who knew toilet paper could look this dreamy? And for the second product hero shot, let's stay on theme, so something that's usually in the background but never the star. And I thought ketchup was perfect. And because ketchup is always food's companion, such as fries, I thought, what if ketchup is what made food famous? Let's say that it pours out as a red carpet because it's red, and the fries are the celebrities that walk onto the red carpet. Let's see if Lovart knows what's going on here. I'm gonna paste in the prompt that I prepared, what I just described to you, and let's use Lovart agent and enter. Whoa, I'm obsessed with this one. Okay, the ketchup is actually a real red carpet. I love how it added all the cameras on the sides, and it's also so photorealistic. The 2 fries just standing there like they own this entire gala, and it's like the Met Gala actually. And I love how the text here, every bite's big moment, this slogan, it's in a very Oscar-ish kind of font, and it's in the same color scheme with the entire poster. And there's also this little touch that Lovart agent added. Upper right corner remains open for your branding and logo placement. So as you can see here, there's an empty space that I can, let's say if it's the Lovart ketchup, I can put the Lovart logo directly on there. So it's very considerate of the entire picture as an intelligent design agent instead of just an image generator. But wow, this looks like a movie premiere to me. Now let's get into the part that we opened with, an actual fake out-of-home ad. And I want to take the red carpet ketchup idea and bring it to life in the real world. The idea is a phone camera footage that someone shot during the Met Gala, but it's a red carpet that's made out of ketchup. So kind of the same energy with mascara brushing the top of the subway train. So a normal product that's blown up to an impossible scale, but it's also set in a place and a setting that you can recognize. So starting with a new chat, I'm going to switch to video gen and select the ratio that we want. I'm gonna paste in my prompt, which is what I described, and let's see what it comes up with. Wow, this is so good. The pour rolling down the steps as the carpet with the thick, glossy texture. And I like how it actually looks kind of CGI with the fries standing in front waiting for the carpet to roll down so it can walk up as celebrities, and all the cameras around it. If this video appeared on my feed, I would definitely stop scrolling. This is something that's supposed to cost hundreds or thousands, but I just made it in one evening out of a mundane, normal ketchup bottle. So that's 2 posters and a full city street ad, all in one place with Lovart. Toilet paper and ketchup, 2 of the most boring things on this planet, but Lovart made them look like full ad campaigns. So this one idea that popped up in my head carried from concept to finished video in one canvas. So for anyone doing product, e-commerce, or brand, this is the part that changes everything. Now your turn. Let's see if you can come up with a fake out-of-home ad and beat the one that Maybelline had with their mascara. I'll drop my prompts and workflow in the comments to get you started, and I can't wait to see what impossible version of a product that you come up with. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching, Lovarters. See you in the next one.